So my name is Fanendra, her name is Madhulika. We are building Monroe 2H, is that right? And we are building it in Foxfire community, Redmond.
Working with Megan?
Yeah, if not for Megan, we would have come back out a long time back. She stayed with us all through this transition and helped us thoroughly. Not only that, Shaw Homes has established a kind of template where they have multiple layers of steps where the customer feels and knows what they're getting into, and kind of giving us an overview before having any surprises. Basically, definitely go for it.
Go for it. Oh yes, it's great. And working with Paula.
No, the main thing I loved is they're giving us multiple appointments rather than giving us one single day or couple of days and asking us to select everything in those schedules. It's multiple days. So first day when we go there, you're kind of overwhelmed with so many other things. It's completely mind-boggling. So you feel in something, go back home, think about it, and then you have a chance to again go back and change it. And if you want to talk it with someone or ask an expert guidance. So those schedules which are laid out in different time periods helps a lot.